Good morning students. So in this video we will see mole concept. What we will see? Mole concept. What is mole? So mole is a counting unit. Mole is a counting unit. So 1 mole denotes Avogadro number of particles. 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Now just like we buy 1 dozen denotes 12 articles or 12 things. Similarly, 1 score denotes 20. 1 gross denotes 12 dozen, that is 144 articles. In a chemist workplace, 1 mole denotes Avogadro number of particles. 1 mole denotes Avogadro number of particles. These particles can be electrons, protons, neutrons, atoms, ions, molecules, and even biological viruses. Like if I say 1 mole electron, that means Avogadro number of electron. If we say 1 mole proton, that means Avogadro number of proton. If we say 1 mole neutron, it is Avogadro number of neutrons. If we say 1 mole sodium, suppose 1 mole sodium, it means Avogadro number of sodium atom. If we say 1 mole water, that means Avogadro number of water molecules. If we say 1 mole HIV, that means Avogadro number of HIV particles. Now, 1 mole denotes as many particles as there are atoms present in 12 gram of C12 isotope. So, carbon 12, if we take carbon 12 isotope and if we take 12 gram of carbon. So, 12 gram of carbon means 1 mole of carbon. 12 gram carbon means 1 mole of carbon, and 1 mole has how many particles? That is Avogadro number of particles. So Na is known as Avogadro number. Avogadro number resembles 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 particles. So just keep in mind that 1 mole represents Avogadro number of particles. 1 mole denotes as many particles as there are atoms in 12 gram of C12 isotope. 12 gram of C12 isotope. Now look at the formula which is used to calculate mole. So number of mole is given weight by gram atomic mass. This formula is valid for atoms. Now next formula is number of mole is equal to weight by gram molecular mass. This formula is valid for molecules or compounds. Now coming for gases, the formula used is number of mole equal to volume in liter upon 22.4 liter per mole. When the volume is given in liter, then use this formula. Number of mole is the given volume in liter upon 22.4 liter per mole. Next is when the volume is given in milliliter, use the formula number of mole equal to volume in milliliter upon 22,400 ml per mole. Keep in mind students that the molar volume is taken as 22.4 liter at STP. So any gas irrespective of its nature occupies a volume of 22.4 liter at STP. STP is standard temperature and pressure, where the pressure is 1 atm and the temperature is 0 degrees Celsius, that is 273 Kelvin. Another formula which is there to find out the mole is given by total particles. These particles can be atoms, ions or molecule divided by Avogadro number. Suppose we see the example. 3.011 into 10 to the power 30 hydrogen atoms are there. You have to find out the number of moles. So what you will do, you just have to divide this given number by Avogadro number to get the mole. 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. So this is 7, 10 to the power 7, and this is 0.5. So it is 5 into 10 to the power 6 moles of hydrogen atoms are there. So this way we can find out the number of moles. So 5 into 10 to the power 6 moles of hydrogen is present when the number of hydrogen atom is 3.011 into 10 to the power 30. Now let's see at the formula which is used to find out the number of ions. So number of ions is equal to moles into Avogadro number. So you have to find out the moles, how many moles are there, and if you multiply with Avogadro number, you will get the number of ions present. Number of atoms can be calculated by using the formula atomicity into mole, number of mole into Avogadro number. Atomicity is the total number of atoms present in a molecule. Atomicity is the total number of atoms present in a molecule. Like O2 has atomicity 2, ozone has atomicity 3, C60 has atomicity 60, P4 has atomicity 4, S8 has atomicity 8. So this you have to keep it in mind. So number of atoms equal to atomicity into mole into Avogadro number. Now coming to number of molecules can be calculated by using the formula number of moles into Avogadro number. So this formula will help you to find out the number of ions, number of atoms, as well as number of molecules present in the given number of moles in a particular species. It can be ions, atoms or molecules. Now let's see few example how to find number of moles. So 4 gram of helium. So number of mole is given weight by gram atomic mass. So helium gram atomic mass is also 4. So 4 upon 4, that is 1 moles are there. 1 mole is there in helium, 4 gram. Now suppose 70 gram of lithium. So number of mole is weight, given weight by gram atomic mass. So 70 gram upon 7, because lithium has the atomic mass of 7. So gram atomic mass of lithium is 7. So this is 70 gram upon 70 gram per mole, that means 10 moles. Now let's see, you are given 90 gram of water. You have to find the number of moles. As you know, number of moles is given by weight by gram molecular mass. So gram molecular mass of water is 18. So 5 moles are there. 90 upon 18 is 5 moles. Now number of molecules. Number of molecules is given by moles into Avogadro number. So it will be 5 into Na. So the number of mole is 5, and if you want to calculate the number of molecules, it will be 5 into Avogadro number. Now total number of atoms will be, atomicity of water is 3, so 3 into 5 into Na, that is 15 Na. Now number of hydrogen atoms. So as 1 mole of water contains 2 moles of hydrogen atom, that means 2 into 5 into Na, that means 10 into Na will be the total number of hydrogen atom. If you want 1 mole of water contains 1 mole of oxygen atom, so it will be 5 into Na, that is the number of oxygen atoms present. Now counting the electron, 1 molecule of water has 10 electron. 1 molecule of water has 10 electron. So total number of molecule is 5 into Na, that means 10 into 5 into Na, that is 50 Na. Now counting the number of proton, as water is neutral, so number of electron is also equal to number of protons, so it is 50 into Na. But in case of neutrons, you have to keep in mind that hydrogen don't have neutron. In the form of protium, it don't have neutron, so the number of neutron will be 8 into 5 into Avogadro number, that is 40 into Avogadro number, because hydrogen has 0 neutron. Hydrogen is 0, but oxygen has 8 neutron. The number of neutron is given by mass number minus atomic number. So this way you can find out the number of moles of this and related question. Suppose they ask the number of nucleons. So what you will do is, students, you have to add the number of protons and number of neutrons to find out the number of nucleons. So number of nucleons will be 90 into Avogadro number. Now let's see this question. You have to find out the number of potassium atom, chromium atom and oxygen atom when 1.5 moles of potassium dichromate is given to you. So what you have to do, atomicity of potassium is 2, number of mole is 1.5, so 2 into 1.5 is 3 into Avogadro number, so it is 3 Na. Similarly, the number of chromium is similar to the number of potassium, so it is also 3 Na. And oxygen is 7, so 7 into 1.5 into Na, that means 10.5 Na. This way you can find out the number of different atoms given in potassium dichromate when the number of moles was 1.5 and the number of moles was 1.5. Now let's see the next question. If you are given 3 moles of ethane, the formula of ethane is C2H6. They are asking the number of molecules. As we know, number of molecules is given by number of moles into Avogadro number, so 3 into Avogadro number. Now they are asking carbon atoms. As the atomicity of carbon is 2, so 2 into 3, that is 6 into Avogadro number. Now number of hydrogen atom will be, atomicity is 6, 6 into 3, that is 18 into Avogadro number. Now if they are asking total atoms, so total atom is, atomicity is 8, 24 into Na, and that can be known when you count these two, you add these two, you will get. So this way you can solve the questions based on mole concept. So generally they are asking in IIT NEET which has the largest number of atoms, which has the lowest number of atoms which have more number of molecules and electrons. So this way you can solve the student. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do like and subscribe my channel for more such videos. Thank you.